We have several fruit trees that needed a little cleanup. The grass had started creeping in, and I wanted to freshen everything up with new mulch while giving the trees a more finished look. The company sent us this edging to test out, and here's how it looks up close with the plastic stakes that come with it. Everything comes rolled up, and I was actually surprised by how flexible the edging is. It wasn't too stiff, so it was really easy to work with. This is honestly the easiest landscape edging I have ever used. One of my favorite things is that you don't have to dig a trench to install it. We did use a rake to pull the grass back just a little bit before laying it down, mostly to give ourselves a cleaner edge, but that was really the only prep work we needed. After that, we simply unrolled the edging, curved it around the fruit trees, and started securing it with the included stakes. Since it's flexible, it was really easy to create smooth curves without fighting it or having it spring back into its rolled shape. That made the whole process go really quickly. One thing I do want to mention is the stakes. They are made from plastic, so it's important to use a rubber mallet instead of a regular hammer. A metal hammer could easily crack them. Even using a rubber mallet, we did have a few stakes break while installing them. Thankfully, there were plenty included, and the rest went in without any problem, and this edging is really secure now. After all of the edging was installed, we added fresh mulch around each tree, and it made such a huge difference. It instantly gives everything a cleaner, more maintained look, and now the mulch has a defined border instead of slowly spreading into the yard. I also like that it should make mowing and trimming around the tree much easier since now there's a clear separation between the grass and the mulch. The edging itself feels really sturdy and it follows curves really nicely without looking wavy or uneven. Since it's only about 2 inches tall, it creates a clean border without being overly noticeable, which is exactly the look I was hoping for. It blends into our landscaping instead of drawing attention to it. Overall, I am really happy with how this project turned out. The process was simple, it did not require digging, and it gave our fruit trees a much cleaner, finished appearance. It was an easy project that makes a noticeable difference in our yard.